Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Haitian style porridge, aka Labouyi, Banann. So the main ingredients that you will need is 3 plantains, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 1.5 cups of sugar, a can of carnation milk, and vanilla extract. Here I had already taken off the ends of each side of the plantains. I sliced them, and just in a few you guys will see that I have chopped them up. Some people like to chop them up finely. I just chopped them up, I sliced it in half and chopped it like that. Some people like to dice them really small, but this is how I did it. Now you want to go ahead and rinse it with water. Make sure you rinse it very good, because sometimes those things can carry dirt. You rinse it and then pour it inside of a blender like so. Inside of the blender I had already put a clean cup and a half of water. So once you guys finish with once you guys finish draining the water that you rinsed it off with, you pour it in the blender and you just blend it very finely, like you see here in the video, and then you just pour it in the pan. At the end of the video, I'll show you guys the pan with the anise and the cinnamon sticks already boiling. Here, I had already poured the plantain puree from the blender, and I'm putting in all of the other ingredients like the sugar, the carnation milk, and the teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you just mix it. You guys want to let it cook for about 20 minutes on medium low. And here's the pan that had the water boiling with the cinnamon sticks and the anise. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you guys would like to see next.